You know what separates the AI users from the AI masters? Just one thing. It's how they prompt. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so listen carefully because this is going to be helpful. This is the landing page of Learn Prompt. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And just like what I mentioned guys, the one that separates just the users, the AI users, from the ones that have mastered artificial intelligence is how they put all their prompts. Now, whether you're working with GPT, with Claude, or building AI agents, this platform is where true prompt fluency begins. Now, it offers those free guides, the curated prompt libraries, and the expert level frameworks that is designed for creators, founders, and the freelancers alike. So in a world that is flooded with AI tools already, what you just need for you to get that real advantage lies in your prompting skills. Now, as businesses also increasingly rely on artificial intelligence, they are seeking professionals who can effectively command it. Now, mastering the prompts isn't just useful, guys. It's now a competitive edge in hiring, building innovative tools, and the automation of work. Go ahead and check out Learn Prompt. It is the go-to resource for staying ahead in the artificial intelligence arena. And guys, just a quick heads up. If you're serious about staying relevant in the age of AI right now, this is for you. Outskill is actually hosting a high-impact 2-day artificial intelligence mastermind this weekend, and they are featuring 16 hours of expert-led training that is designed to unlock the power of artificial intelligence for professionals and creators like us as well. So attendees will dive deep into over 10 powerful tools, prompt engineering techniques, app creation, automation strategies, and much, much more. So you got to go ahead and explore this opportunity, guys. Normally, this is valued at $895, but Outskill is offering 1,000 free seats for the next 72 hours with over 4 million people already trained through the platform, guys. Many of whom have already gone to secure jobs, promotions, or actually launch their own AI-driven business. Now, this event is a proven opportunity, guys. Participants also receive $5,000 worth of exclusive bonuses, which also includes that prompt Bible, an AI income roadmap, and a very personalized artificial intelligence toolkit builder to accelerate the real world results. Go ahead and check out the link in the description to grab your free seat and join that WhatsApp community for updates. Now, guys, let's go back to the video. All right, so Learn Prompt is actually built for those that want to stay ahead in the AI-driven world, and it is the go-to resource for the founders that are seeking leverage, the freelancers that are aiming to streamline their workflows, and the marketers and the content creators that want to maximize the output. So ops leads enhancing efficiency, and those students that are preparing for an artificial intelligence powered future. Now, artificial intelligence has already evolved right now, guys, and there is nothing that we could do to stop it, but it is actually helping us out to make our lives more efficient and to get those jobs done in a short span of time without compromising the quality. Now, what makes Learn Prompt effective is that it's no fluff, and it is designed by the professionals who use prompt frameworks daily. So every guide, tool, and framework that is built to deliver real results fast is available here right now, guys. So go ahead and check this one out. The content is updated weekly to keep pace with the rapidly evolving artificial intelligence landscape, which ensures that users always stay current with the latest and greatest news. Whether you're building, automating, or basically scaling with AI, Learn Prompt offers the practical knowledge and the tools that you need to make it better and faster. So go ahead and check them out. Of course, make sure to do your own research. Go to learnprompt.org right now, then hit the link in the description to grab your free seat at the Outskill AI Mastermind. 1,000 seats, guys. $5,000 in bonuses in 72-hour deadline. So if you want to own the future of artificial intelligence, start this weekend. Head on over and check them out right now. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.